Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms, like cremini or shiitake, for that earthy base. Also, prepare 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of broth, and 1/2 cup of cream. Finally, have salt, pepper, and fresh thyme on hand for perfect seasoning. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your sliced mushrooms and sauté them until they're beautifully golden brown, which takes about 8 minutes. Next, stir in the diced onion, garlic, and celery, cooking until they soften, usually around 5 minutes. Remember to deglaze the pot with a splash of broth to capture all those delicious brown bits. With our aromatics softened, it's time to simmer. Pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. Add 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, then season generously with salt and pepper. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. If you prefer a thicker soup, blend about 1/3 of the mixture before returning it to the pot. We're almost there. For a truly luxurious finish, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. This adds a wonderful velvety texture. Now, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. Garnish with fresh parsley or chives for a vibrant touch. Serve your delicious homemade mushroom soup warm, perhaps with some crusty bread on the side. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.